through now is running this machine with the remote control in auto mode, so you can be single operator, right? So you can take this into the cab of your excavator, so for loading, and run it as a single operator. The first thing we want to do is go to the icon here and change it to remote, okay? Now we have that going. What you want to do here is hold this button. Make sure the E-stop is pulled out. This is how you actually turn the remote on and off, is by pushing in the E-stop. So we now need to reset it. And then we hold the button and we hit it 4 times. 4 times on this button to get the green light to flash. That means it's paired, okay? And so for instance, bring up the horsepower, right? And now I can start to use things like tracking of the machine, right? This is reversing the jaw, and this is closing the opening in and out. And so you probably want to get up on the hopper, and you can see it will open up to 3.5 inches, and you can hear it opening, or I can close it down to 3/4 inches. This is where you set the jaw opening size.